Hello, hello, ladies. Oh my gosh, excuse the messy hair. I haven't been on here in a while. I'm really excited because I've been doing LadyBoss for quite some time, but I've had to stop exercising sometimes because I've had a really bad knee, and we'll get into that later. Anyways, but I'm really excited. My hair looks a mess. I'm really excited because today I came home. Well, I actually just got in a few minutes ago. I'm a youth minister, volunteer, but I also work at the workforce. And I'm a teacher there, so my day is consistently crazy. And I don't ever get enough sleep. I'm always running around like a crazy person, and so I'm just always going at like 1,000 miles per hour. Please don't judge my hair. I have not taken a shower or anything. But anyways, I joined LadyBoss last year because I really wanted to change my eating habits. I wanted to change the way I looked. Hi, thanks for joining. But the real reason why I joined LadyBoss was to change my lifestyle, to change how my eating habits and whatnot, and my health was pretty bad. So whatever. But I got on here to talk about the LadyBoss rest. I need rest. Like, I've read the reviews, I've saw the videos, I haven't had time to buy it, and I finally got to purchase it. And it came in, and I was super excited. Today is my first night to actually take it, and so I'm really excited. I'm sorry, guys. We're remodeling, so I'm in our spare bedroom because, long story, we're remodeling anyways. So I'm just really excited because of all the reviews I've gotten to hear over the rest. I'm really excited to see what it does. I just took it. I know Kaelin, she does an amazing job with us and whatnot, but I'm really excited to try this product. I didn't just get that. I got the burn as well. I'm really excited to use this bad boy later on. And I'm even actually more excited because I got the Recover. And by the way, watermelon is the best kind of, any kind of supplement, I lost my words. Any kind of flavor that you can get or from anything. I always go with watermelon. So I'm really excited to use the Recover for watermelon. That taste is probably going to be bomb. I'll be able to use it tomorrow because I get to go work out tomorrow for the first time in like 3 weeks. I'm missing it. Oh, I look like crap. But I'm really excited. I will let you ladies know how the rest did for me. I'm pretty sure it's going to do amazing. Like I said, I'm a full-time youth minister, volunteer, and I also have a job from 8 to 5. And I'm a workshop facilitator. I work with people who don't have jobs and whatnot. And so I usually don't get to bed till really late, and I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to bed like at 11. I'm not getting a lot of sleep. My commute isn't that far, thank God. I used to have to travel an hour every day. Now I'm literally like 5 to 10 minutes away from my job, so I'm really excited about that. But I'm definitely more excited about this. I can't wait to see what it does. The product itself, I'm really was not skeptical. I used Night Burner one time and it didn't do nothing for me. I was trying to look for it because I had it, and my husband's like, I'm tired of you taking sleeping pills. The doctor would prescribe me sleeping pills and nothing worked, and he's like, I'm done. Like, literally, I did the essential oils. I've done it all, like, to try to get some rest, because we as women, our brain does not shut down. Our brain is always constantly just going, and I'm ready for something new. I'm ready for this change, so I'm really excited about this. super psyched, and I will let you ladies know how it works tonight. Alright, y'all have a great night. I need to get to bed because I gotta wake up at 4. Bye, ladies.